Joe Exotic begs Biden for pardon as he fears he has prostate cancer. Make this right. Joe Exotic's latest plea for a pardon comes amid a fearful time for the Tiger King star. Exotic, also known as Joseph Maldonado Passage, revealed on Facebook on Friday that his prostate-specific antigen, PSA, count came back very high for prostate cancer. The former zookeeper then shared the symptoms he's dealing with as he serves time in prison. He shared his eagerness to get a message to President Biden and his administration. My body is tired. I have lost a tremendous amount of weight. The mouth sores are out of control. I throw up more than I eat. I don't want anyone's pity. What I need is when my attorney, John Phillips, gets the evidence he is working on. I need the world to help him get. President Biden, VP Harris, and the Attorney General to listen to the evidence and see that it's not just city cops out of control with corruption, but his very own Department of Justice, and make this right and sign that pardon that Trump left behind so I can go home and get proper medical care and proper food, Maldonado Passage wrote. The Netflix star further claimed there are U.S. attorneys, agents and witnesses responsible for the lies, conspiracy, and obstruction to put me here just to further the Big Cat Safety Act, because what they did was criminal and changed the system in my honor. On Saturday, Carol Baskin's rival went on to share that he has an oncologist appointment scheduled for later this month and will also be meeting with a urologist. Now they report a biopsy will also be scheduled on a tumor on my right side below my ribs. Also scheduling a colonoscopy and endoscopy to find everything, he shared in his Facebook post. Maldonado Passage's attorney also shared a statement to Fox News about next steps. As noted in Joe's recent statement, he has been undergoing medical treatment and tests for a host of issues. The PSA test is a blood test used primarily to screen for prostate cancer. The test measures the amount of prostate-specific antigen, PSA, in your blood. Joe's test results were high. He is scheduled to undergo further testing, Florida-based attorney John M. Phillips said. Medical care is different in a prison environment and fewer options are available. Please keep Joe in your thoughts and prayers while we try to get him a new trial. Maldonado Passage was sentenced to 22 years in prison and is serving his time at the Grady County Jail in Oklahoma.